Hi guys, how to get voice chat on Roblox. Now, open the Roblox app on your device. Tap the three dots menu icon in the bottom right corner, then select Help and Safety, and finally tap Help. This is the secret path most players never find. In the Help search bar, type Voice Chat and select Voice Chat Recording FAQs. Here is the crucial part. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that page and tap Need More Help, Contact Support here. Skipping this means no reply from Roblox. Fill out the support form with your username, first name, and email address. Double-check your email or you'll never hear back. Under Issue Details, choose your device, select How To as the help category, and How To Other as the subcategory. Then in the description box, paste this exact message. Keep watching because the wording matters. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option is not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible. Thank you. Tap Continue and complete the verification puzzle carefully. One wrong click and you'll have to restart. Once submitted, Roblox usually replies within 48 hours. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up video on how to check if your voice chat has been enabled.